YouTubers? Here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. And if it's their website, I'll leave their link also in the description. So definitely check them out. Let's see what this is. Home security. Oh boy. Let's see. Ooh. Here we go. Oh boy. This is coming from... Not sure if that's Aosu. We got some solars. Oh boy. We got a home base. Oh, this is going to be fun. Solar cam. And we got ultra wide view angle, Wi-Fi connected, motion detection, full color day and night vision, security siren, weather resistant design. Sweet. What's in the box? That's what they tell you. You get the 2 security cameras, Wi-Fi home base, AC power adapter, Ethernet cable, screw mounts, USB charging cable, solar power, and you get a security sticker. And there's an app for it, of course. You get to do the live view, Ultra HD, real-time notifications, 2-way talk, Google, iOS, Apple. Yeah, here we go. So Father's Day gift, nice idea. A gift to yourself, protect your home. Hopefully that never has come down to that point, but you never know. Times are crazy these days. So, just give you a few seconds heads up before the bad guy comes through. You'll be ready. In case, call the cops also. I don't recommend facing off with the bad guy, but unless you're Bruce Lee. Here we go. So we'll get my tablet out. How do I open this? Oh boy, it's one of these. Shake, shake, shake. I figured it out. Round and round we go. Wherever it stops, nobody knows. Okay, here's the goodies. Stand back. Definitely gonna need this one. Scan the QR code. Here is Ethernet. We got the wall mounts, or the mounts. I have no idea where I'm gonna stick these. My neighbors think I'm crazy having all these cameras, but hey, you never know. Or maybe they want some. Now this is a solar. Oh Jesus. Okay, they all come out at once. There's a base. Not really I want to do this, but they flew out. Let me check. Oh no, we got some more stuff here. We got some screws, more USBs. You get everything in this box, so you're all set. Just you gotta install it yourself, or always hire somebody. Alright. We got this thing here, which will be the power cord. Bada boom, bada bing. And now we got wall mount 1. This in front. Another one. I'll show how it's done in a few. And we got these kind. I think, yeah, these swivel. So you can have it different positions in your home or your office or your small business, whatever you need to protect. A garage, a shed. We got some brackets. Another one. And here's the USBs now. We got that one. Maybe it's too white. There we go. We got that one. Another one. Boom. Got some screws. Got some more screws. Got some more screws. Got some more screws. So we covered that. And now, this is going to want to hook up first. This is the modem, the base, the brain. Everything there. Sync, power, USB. I might have to hook these downstairs. I'm trying to think. Because I got the internet wireless down there, so I don't know yet. It's going to take a few minute break after this part. And then figure it out. We got all night. Here's the ooh. These are nice solars. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Much appreciated. And here we go. So you get pretty much a nice little startup package. I mean, you can buy more. It all depends on how many you need for your home. That's really nice. Okay. Now, I already showed the base, front. Yeah, I already showed this one. Now the cameras. Ooh. 5 megapixel Ultra HD. Whoa. Make sure you tear this off. Yeah, these are nice. Wow. So you can mount it there. And on the bottom, that's where you're going to stick the, whatchamacallit, the, solar. We'll do that during install. So maybe if I were you guys, I would start the mounting stuff until you set up your app and everything else, like I'm going to do first. Be a lot easier. So you get 2 cameras. Oops. Get these bad boys. So definitely, next step, tablet, run it, be good to go. Alright, YouTubers, we are back. We got everything situated. I got the tablet out. There's the app. You just hit install. Should take a second to install. All depends on how fast your internet is. So we're good to go on the manual. With the solar panel, this will go on a solar panel. Then you can mount it anywhere you need to for extra security. Like I said, garage, shed, backyard, wherever. That's for the solar. And keep that there. We'll keep this. I already hooked this up. See, it's got a. Whoops. Okay, that shows better. Here we go. All I gotta do is pop that right there. Stick the USB cable. Make sure it's sealed. There we go. You heard it locked in good. Okay, I have it pointed up for now. And then solar panel. Like I said, you can just hook this up to it. Easy peasy. Couple twists. And then there you go. The app is done. It's probably going to ask me to sign up. So I'm going to have to sign up, create an account and everything. Put you guys on pause. And then continue. Once you sign up, you know, you'll get a email confirmation. You're going to click the link. And then it's going to approve it right away. And you can devices, add a device. So we're going to do that right there. Allow. Okay, how many turn? Okay, on the back, it's going to tell you to scan a QR code, which is right there. And you're going to activate the device. So I'm going to turn it on right now. And we got the green light right there. So I'm ready to scan. Allow access. There we go. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to have to pause you guys. I need 2 hands. Alright, there's a couple to choose from. Once you scan the back, click that one. So you're going to plug in the Ethernet, which I already did. And make sure the port is green. Yep. We are flashing. I'm using one of those wireless Nomad internet. We're going to try how that works instead of using my basic. Oh, I gotta turn the cameras on now. Oh, this is gonna be fun. 1.
Hello. Hello.
Press the sync on the back of the button. Okay, continue. Now it's searching. Hopefully I got this right. Got the lights on. Internet's going good. There we go. Oh, baby. That was nice and easy. I like it when the cameras hook up right away with no hassle. Just make sure you got your internet password, you know, memorize. That was going to take a, there we go. Took a second to load up. Oh, yeah. I just got to figure out where I'm going to install these. We can skip that. They do offer cloud. If you want to purchase the cloud service, you can. Or you could just do it normal. Ooh. You can hear the intercom talk. Okay, that's enough of that one. Too many. There we go. Okay, it's connecting. So we got that set up right there. And once this motion, this is gonna have everything in it. There we go. I'm gonna turn off the volume. Now that's looking at, no, not that one, this one. And it's super bright. Oh, hey. See, then it says go live. Someone appeared on it. Case of animals or bad guys. Okay, that's loud. That would definitely scare someone. Oh, that's bright light too. Got the motion light in case some bad guy walks by. Just gotta change the settings. And in the settings, you could do the motion, auto alarm. You can change the sensitive level, all the detection, a lot. LED light. And you can have an Amazon Alexa. So that's really good. And Google. And I do have a firmware update I gotta do. Well, I'll do this after the video. Motion detection, you can change pretty much everything. Human only. And you can do... This is pretty cool. You get to fill out what areas of your property you want to monitor in case of any intruders. But yeah, this is definitely a nice one, guys. Easy to set up like I did. It only took a few seconds. And really clear. Ultra HD. We did alarm. Allow. What is tone? Not sure what this is. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Okay, see that works. Tone. Tone. Hang up. Okay, there we go. Tone. There we go. See, walk right by. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, I see what it did. It changed my tone of my voice. I'm liking this. So thank you guys at Aosu. Check them out. Links down below. Be safe. Have a good night.